Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about Freedom Grooming. So they were nice enough to send me one of their kits so I could test out all the products, but I thought before we do that, I wanted to show you what we got in our kit. So they have multiple kits that are available. Basically Freedom Grooming is like manscaping friendly products. Obviously the Lord did not bless me with a full head of great gorgeous hair. Probably thought that I didn't need another challenge in my life to get the perfect hairstyle. So I get to shave my head, and Freedom Grooming is a product that basically specializes in razors that help gentlemen like myself that need something quick to shave your head with. So they sent me a bunch of different things. So I wanted to show you some of the things that they sent. So of course they sent me their razor, which their razor is supposed to be the quickest razor, 50 times quicker than actually doing it with a blade. So if you look at the razor itself, it's obviously formed for your head, and your head will thank you. So we got that going for you. So the razor itself comes with all kinds of different features and things like that. So obviously you get the 5-head blade, which is, it's in here, it's right here. So you get the 5-head blade. It's rechargeable, which is fantastic. So it's rechargeable. So you can see it's actually built for a bald dome. So it's got that. It has all kinds of different features, and it's got a skin massager. It's got a precision clippers, which is these nice clippers. Nose and ears. The older you get, hair doesn't grow in your head, it grows in places you don't want it. So there you go. So you have that. And it's got an exfoliating brush as well. So it's got that, which is kind of cool. So this is fully rechargeable. It also has it's got all kinds of different things to it. It's fully rechargeable, and basically you can use it in the shower, you can rinse it underwater, you can get new blades whenever you want. They have a blade replacement. So it gives you all of these cool little features, and you get it all in one nice little box. And the nice thing is it's nice because it really fits in your hand. So if you're shaving your head, obviously it fits like that. You'd have your blades there, and it fits in your hand. Obviously you can see you can just clip in your blades, and it can go across your head. So it's really kind of nice because it fits in your hand. And again, I think the biggest thing that I'm excited about with this is that you can use it wet or dry. So that's really kind of nice. And it's got different things, little clip up things like that. So if you want to trim along your ears and that sort of thing, you have that capability all in the palm of your hand, which is really a nice feature. So that's the biggest thing, right? But they also send you awesome, cool things within the shaving kit stuff that are just extras, right? So if you get the kit itself, old school, baby. Put some stuff on your head. It's a nice grooming brush that you can actually use. So it comes in a nice little container with it. So if you need to, you can travel with it. It also comes with aftershave lotion, pre-shave oil, all with like a sandalwood type smell to it. So it smells really nice. So it comes with that. Shaving cream. Again, this is kind of like old school shaving cream. So I opened this up to take a look at it, mainly to smell it. Which it smells like you're going to a barber shop. Fantastic, I like that. So comes with this sandalwood shaving cream as well. Comes with a little docking station. Told you it's rechargeable. So boom. Little docking station. So you can put your razor on there. Obviously it's got the plug inside the box. So it will recharge for you. So it's got that going for you. And a couple other nice things that I really like is it comes with a travel case. So you're on your road, doing whatever. Comes with a full, nice Freedom Grooming travel case. So this is just one of their kits. They have multiple kits that are available, and has spots cut out for each of the things that you'd want to bring with you. So you can see that you can take these things out, boom, and your razor fits in there, and all those extra pieces fit in there. So really a nice feature there, and it's got, of course, some other things that you can put in there. So the nice thing about this razor too, you can actually use it wet, you can use it dry, you can dry shave if you want to be the dry shaving that a lot of the electric razors do. Wet shaving is what I usually do in the shower, so I feel like I get a closer groom that way. So that's why I do that. And then the last thing that came with mine was head and body wipes. So these are really kind of nice. So clean fragrance, like basically this is one of their game-changing items that they say. which I have to agree, sometimes when you're bald, your head looks oily. It's kind of not the greatest look in the world, right? So if you want to just kind of get refreshed on the go, they send you these head and body wipes as well. So hyperallergenic, all kinds of fun things like that, but look at them for your own use case if you are specifically allergic to something. But hyperallergenic, I'm not allergic to anything. I think these are gonna be fantastic. So that's really what's in the box. I'm gonna charge this up. Probably won't take you in the shower with me because that would be weird. But I will show you how it works for me. I've been shaving my head for a few years now, and I've always been looking for an electric razor to make it easier. So this basically should shave my head in about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and it gives you all the extra grooming functionality as well. So I'm gonna give this a shot. I'll take you along with me on this to show you what it does for me. But check them out. Freedom Grooming is it. It makes a great gift if you're coming in the holidays. Frankly, older you get, the more you might want to shave your head and do a more manscaping. So it's a great gift idea, and right now it's on sale as well. So check out their site, Freedom Grooming, and I'll put a link in the description below as well. And we'll show you what this thing is all about. We'll see you next time.